so sorry. I broke your vase. Please do not be angry.
Wait, let us go back to the beginning. This morning started like any other morning.
Good morning, Oliver. Good morning, Emma. Breakfast is ready.
Good morning, Mom. I am so hungry today.
After breakfast, Anna goes to the garden. Emma reads a book in her room. Oliver is alone in the living room. He has a small rubber ball.
I am bored. There is nothing to do. I want to play. I know. I can throw the ball. 1, 2, 3, catch.
Oliver throws the ball higher and higher. He is having fun. But the ball goes too high.
Oh no, the ball, stop!
The ball hits the vase. The vase falls off the table. It breaks into many pieces.
No, Mom's favorite vase. It is broken. What do I do? What do I do? Maybe I can hide it. Mom will not see. I will put the pieces in the box.
Oliver picks up the broken pieces very carefully. He puts them in a shoebox from the closet.
Okay, I will put this box under my bed. Nobody will find it.
A few minutes later, Emma comes downstairs. She sees that the vase is gone.
That is strange. Where is Mom's vase? It was right here. Oliver? Oliver, are you here? Do you know where the vase is? What? The vase? No, I do not know. I was in my room. Oliver, your hands are wet. And there's water on the floor. What happened? Hey, do you like this story? Please like the video and comment what story you want next. Okay. I broke it. I was playing with my ball and it hit the vase. Oh, Oliver, why did you hide it? You should tell Mom.
Mom loves you more than any vase. If you tell the truth, she will understand.
Do you really think so? Will you come with me? Of course. I am your sister. I will always help you. Let us go together.
Oliver and Emma walk to the garden. Oliver carries the shoebox with the broken vase pieces.
Mom, I need to tell you something. I did something bad.
What is it, Oliver? You can tell me anything.
I was playing with my ball in the living room. The ball hit your vase. I broke it. I am so sorry, Mom.
Oh, Oliver, come here. I am not angry about the vase. I am happy that you told me the truth.
Really? You are not angry? But it was your favorite vase.
A vase is just a thing. You are my son. You are much more important than any vase.
Mom is right, Oliver. And I am proud of you for telling the truth.
But Oliver, please remember, do not play with a ball inside the house, okay?
I promise, Mom. I will only play with my ball outside. I am sorry.
Comprehension question. What did Oliver break? A plate. B, Mom's favorite vase. C, a window. Think about it.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. I promise I will not break anything else.
Thank you for watching English Tales for Beginner. See you in the next story. Goodbye.